good morning and welcome Nosegay. We, the vibrant students of class 7N, are thrilled to gather here today to present our annual function, centered around addressing global issues that demands our attention, our changing Earth. The Earth is going through many changes, some natural like earthquakes and floods, and other caused by humans like pollution, deforestation, and global warming. Because of our actions, the climate is changing. Ice is melting, sea levels are rising, and many animals are losing their homes. But we still have time if we all work together by planting trees, saving water, reducing plastic use, and protecting nature. We can make the earth a better place for ourselves and future generations. Let's all promise to take care of a beautiful planet before it's too late.
The time for denial, delay and excuses is over. The time for action is now.
Let the festivities begin and welcome you once again.
Celebrating the divine presence of God, let us come together in unity and devotion as we commence our school assembly with morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where knowledge is free.
Where knowledge is free.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
By narrow domestic walls.
By narrow domestic walls.
Where words come out from the depth of truth.
Where words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Into ever-widening thought and action.
Into ever-widening thought and action.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Let my country awake.
Let my country awake.
A positive thought is so powerful that pulls you out of the current mindset into that movement. Now I would like to call Alphas to share thought of the day.
The thought of the day is Earth judges our words, breathing and peaceful steps. Let every breath, every word and every step make the Mother Earth proud of us. I repeat my thought. Earth judges our words, breathing and peaceful steps. Let every breath, every word and every step make the Mother Earth proud of us. Thank you.
Argument is an exchange of ignorance, but then discussion is an exchange of knowledge. So now it's time for group discussion.
Let's enhance our knowledge on major domains of the Earth through group discussion. The Earth is the third planet in the solar system. About 71% of the Earth is covered in water and the rest 29% is land. The Earth experiences two types of changes, natural changes and human-induced changes. Firstly, let's learn about natural changes.
Lithosphere. Lithosphere is divided into plethora of large and small tectonic plates known as lithospheric plates. The movement of these plates is responsible for many geological phenomena including earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and formation of mountain ranges.
The Earth movements are divided on the basis of forces which cause them. The forces that work in the interior of the Earth are called endogenic forces and the forces that work on the surface of the Earth are called exogenic forces. Araf, can you tell us something about endogenic forces?
Yes, endogenic forces. Endogenic forces sometimes produce slow movements and the other times produce sudden movements. Volcanoes and earthquakes are the examples of endogenic forces. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which the molten material erupts suddenly. Volcanic eruptions occur as a result of heat moving under Earth's surface.
Earthquake occurs due to movement of lithospheric plates which cause vibration in the Earth. Such vibrations are known as earthquakes.
Exogenic forces. The landscape is being continuously worn over by two processes, weathering and erosion. Waterfalls, lakes, deltas, sea caves, sea arches, glacial moraines and sand dunes are formed due to example of exogenic forces. So now Angel, can you tell something us about human-induced changes?
Sure. For human-induced changes, first one, climate change. The planet has warmed 1.1 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era began 250 years ago. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, this rise in temperature has resulted in melting of ice and rising sea levels.
Polar ice melt. The Arctic and Antarctic regions are losing ice rapidly, contributing to rising sea level which has resulted in increased flooding and erosion.
Extreme weather events, droughts and floods. Changes in precipitation patterns are leading to more severe droughts in some regions and heavier rainfall and flooding in others.
Ocean warming. Ocean absorb much of the excess heat from the global warming, leading to warmer sea temperatures that disturb the marine ecosystem, including coral reefs.
Impacts on ecosystems and biodiversity. First, species migration. Many species are migrating towards the poles or to higher altitudes to escape the warming climate, which disrupts ecosystems. Second, extinctions. Climate change is accelerating the extinction of species that cannot adapt quickly enough to changing conditions.
Human health and social impact. Health risk. Climate changes has resulted in inclination of diseases like malaria, dengue, fever, and heat-related illness. Moreover, changes in weather patterns disrupt agriculture, leading to reduced crop yields and threatening food security.
Economic disruption. The agricultural, fishing and tourism industries are particularly vulnerable to the impact of climate change and leading to economic losses and job displacement.
Pollution has significant and far-reaching effects on Earth, impacting ecosystem, human health and the planet's climate. There are three main types of pollution: air, water and soil pollution.
Let's learn about air pollution. Health impact. Air pollution primarily caused by the burning of fossil fuels, industrial activities and vehicle emission leads to respiratory and cardiovascular disease including asthma, lung cancer and heart disease. It has contributed to global warming by enhancing greenhouse effects.
Water pollution, ecosystem damage, contaminants such as chemicals, heavy metals, plastic in the water body harm the aquatic ecosystem. Pollutants can lead to the death of fish, plants and other organisms, disrupting entire food chain.
Health risk. Polluted water sources can spread diseases such as cholera, dysentery and other waterborne illnesses.
Soil pollution, reducing soil fertility. Contaminants like heavy metal, pesticide and industrial waste degrade soil quality, reducing its ability to support plant growth. This can lead to lower agriculture yields and threaten food security.
Deforestation. Cutting down trees changes landscape and affect the environment.
These changes affect all life on Earth, including humans. By studying the Earth's surface and understanding our impact, we can find ways to reduce harm and better protect the planet for future generations.
To sum up, we can say that our Earth is constantly changing, both naturally and due to human activities. Natural forces like earthquakes and volcanic eruption, weathering shape the land over time. However, human-induced changes, especially climate change and pollution, are accelerating these transformations in alarming ways. Rising temperature, melting ice, extreme weather, and widespread pollution are not only threatening ecosystem but also impacting human health, livelihoods, and global economics.
It is crucial for all of us to understand these changes and take responsibility by adopting sustainable practices and conserving natural resources and raising awareness. We can help protect our planet for future generations. Let us work together to become more mindful citizens and assure a healthier and more balanced Earth. Thank you.
Drama improves voice projection, articulation of words, fluency with languages, and persuasive speech. Now, I would like to call the talented actors of my class to perform a drama on the Changing Earth.
Scene 1. The birth of Earth. Long, long ago, before life, before animals, even before air, there was a chaos. Dust and gas moved through the space, and from this came a young fiery planet Earth.
I am Mother Earth. I was once young and wild, a ball of fire and rock.
I am Fire Spirit. I rule the sand with volcanoes, molten rocks and smoke. No trees, no rivers, only fire.
But the night came, clouds formed, rain fell and oceans were born. I cooled the angry earth and made calm seas.
Fire and water together shaped me into land ready for life.
Scene 2. The Age of Gondwana. Millions of years passed, the Earth's crust cooled and the continents began to form. Slowly, a giant landmass came together. Deep in the warm, rich lands of Gondwana, life evolved over time. From tiny reptiles came the mighty dinosaurs, rulers of this ancient world. I am Gondwana, the great subcontinent. Africa, India, Australia, Antarctica, and South America, all together in one family. For millions of years, Gondwana was filled with thick forests, tall mountains, and ancient animals.
Roar, roar, I am next, a dinosaur. What a land, so many plants and creatures to see.
Life thrived here. No roads, no pollution, only rivers, trees, and giant creatures.
Scene 3. The breaking of Gondwana. But deep inside the earth, forces were at work. The ground began to tremble.
My lands are moving. What's happening? I feel myself breaking. The continents are drifting apart. Goodbye, my lands. Go and find your home across the oceans.
I am Australia. I am South America. I am India.
I am Antarctica. I am Africa.
Roar, roar, my home is breaking. What will happen to us?
And so, Gondwana split into the continents we know today. The world's face changed forever.
Scene 4. The modern age. Millions of years later, humans appeared. They built machines, cities, and factories.
I am Dr. Arnav, a scientist in rock and fossils. We have learned about earth changes, Gondwana, dinosaurs, and shifting continents.
I am trees pet. I have seen forests are cut down, rivers are polluted, and animals vanish.
We must act now. Earth is changing again, but this time because of us.
I have seen mountain rise and land split, but never have I been harmed like this.
Scene 5. The future. But there is still hope. If we care for the earth, she can heal.
I am Arya, a child of a future. We planted trees, cleaned rivers, and protected animals. Now our earth is beautiful again. Thank you, my children. The earth will always change, but with love and care, it will always remain a precious home.
From fiery beginnings to Gondwana's glory, from breaking lands to busy cities, Earth's story continues.
Earth is changing, earth is bright. Let's protect the day and night.
From Gondwana to today, let's love our earth in every way. Thank you.
Poetry is bonded with ideas, nerves, and blooded with emotion, and held together with tough, delicate skin of words. So now I would like to call Arvi and Ara for an English poem.
Earth is a beautiful place, a place we live every day. We should have the grace to make sure it doesn't go away.
Climate change is a problem we face, and it's something we should not forget. Our world is changing in a fast pace, and the solution to this we have to get.
Endangered species are becoming extinct. Temperatures are rising every day. Rivers are becoming desert valleys, but this shouldn't lead us into dismay.
The ice caps are melting down, causing sea levels to get higher. Precipitation patterns are changing and making the desert drier.
God gave us this sacred place and we can't take it for granted.
One day we'll run out of space and the earth we know will cease to exist. Thank you.
प्रकृति वो माँ जिसने हमें बिना किसी शर्त के सब कुछ दिया, हवा, पानी, सूरज की रोशनी और जीवन की हर जरूरत। लेकिन क्या हम उसका सम्मान कर पाए? पूछ रही है खुद। आज की ये कविता हमें प्रकृति के साथ किए गए व्यवहार की याद दिलाएगी। तो आइए स्वागत करते हैं इस भावपूर्ण कविता का।
कुदरत की है लाखों सौगातें, कुदरत की है लाखों सौगातें, जिनका न कोई मोल और दाम। कल की सुनहरी दुनिया खातिर कर ले हम कुछ बेहतर काम। खुले हाथ से देती कुदरत, खुले हाथ से देती कुदरत ना कोई भेद विभेद, सबके लिए खुले खजाने, ना कोई पहरा ना कोई कैद।
किसकी गोद में हीरे मोती, किसकी गोद में हीरे मोती, कोख में तिलों के आगार, आंचल में फैली हरियाली देती जीवन को आधार। इतना दिया है इतना बख्शा, इतना दिया है इतना बख्शा, फिर भी कहाँ इससे आराम, इंसानी ललचाई नजरें लूट और दोहस पशा।
सबकी सोचे और विचारे, सबकी सोचे और विचारे, करे समर्पित तन मन धन, कल की सुनहरी दुनिया का दिन, करे आज संकल्प सोमन। धन्यवाद।
Feel the rhythm in your heartbeat, let the melody flow from your soul and paint the air with the colors of a Hindi song performance by Ahan and Bhagya.
If there is something to be substituted in this world, then it can only happen through music. So now, Aira, Akshita, Angel and Bhagya are coming to perform an English song.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you
Dancing is used as a form of worship and celebration since ancient times. Many cultures worldwide use dance to express their faith and connect with their spiritual roots. As we witness the praise dancers graceful, the movements and the vibrant colors, let us take a moment to reflect on the beauty and diversity of the God creation through a live Kathak dance.
बस तेरा बनके हाय नहीं रहना तुझा बनके एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी खींच लेना प्राण से के हाय नहीं रहना तुझा बनके अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सोंदे सोंदे रंग में मुझको रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना
Music has a healing power. It has the ability to take people out of themselves for few hours. Now, Ara of our class is going to give an instrumental performance.
Dancers come and go in the twinkling of eye, but the dance lives on. So now let's enjoy the group dance.
Survives by farming. Every year, a huge part of the crops they grow has to go to the British Empire. They call it a tax or the lagan.
बारिश ना होने के कारण इस साल फसल ही नहीं हुई। हम लगान कैसे भरेंगे? चलो एक बार अंग्रेजों से बात करके देखते हैं, शायद ये साल लगान माफ कर दे।
हंसते हो अपना तेरा ये तन हो कठिनाई से टकरा जा नहीं हार मान ले तो मितवा सुन मितवा तुझको क्या डर है ये धरती अपनी है अपना घर है
हम लगान माफ करेगा लेकिन एक शर्त है।
शर्त ये है कि तुम हमको इस खेल में हरा और हम तुम्हारा लगाम माफ कर देगा। लेकिन कहीं तुम हार गया तो तुम हमको ट्रिपल टैक्स यानी 3 गुना लगाम हमें मंजूर है।
तुम्हारी क्रिकेट सीखने में हेल्प करूंगी।
जिस दिन के लिए हमने दिल और जान लगाकर मेहनत की वो दिन अब आ चुका है। हार गया तो तुम हमको 3 गुना लगाम देगा। बोलो शर्त मंजूर है?
Bye.